Hello everybody and welcome to Osborne Insider. Today I would like to share some items from our reeded collection with you. The reeded pattern features repeating lines that create a satisfying texture and are versatile enough to accent any space. First off, we have the extended Sapello Island leg, part number 1513. This is one of our larger reeded legs with a 40.5-inch height and a 4-inch width. It has a large 9-inch top block and a stretcher block at the base, allowing for easy installation of an apron. The rounded bun foot creates a nice contrast to the reeded center. Next, we have the reeded bench leg, part number 1356. This design features a top and bottom block, as well as a small cylindrical reeded center. Carved beads separate the center from the blocks. This leg is 18-inch tall and 3.5-inch wide, making it perfect for bench seats or small coffee table projects. We also have trim options such as this carved reeded molding, part number 88991140. This is great for dressing up your furniture, walls, or cabinet work. It is 2 inches wide, 1/4 inches thick, and available in multiple length options. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to our customer service team at 800-849-8876. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.